tell you a little bit about New Color Bronzing Pearls. There are 3 key ingredients in this product I want to tell you about. The first is rice starch. This is an ingredient that's going to help absorb excess oils on the skin throughout the day. Next, we have nylon, which really helps it glide on the skin and blend on the skin a little bit better. And then last, we have silica, which is what gives it that silky feel on the skin. There's 2 main ways to use this product. First, you can use it as a bronzer to give you that sun-kissed, healthy glow to your skin. To do that, you simply take a powder brush and you're going to swirl that through the beads, and then with a gentle swipe go across the forehead. You're going to dab the nose, dab the chin area, and across the cheeks as well. Those are the areas where the sun is first hitting the skin, giving you that little pop of healthy color. Now the second way to use this is as a blush. It can give you a warm blushed look in the cheek area. This works very well for every skin type because there's 5 different colors of beads or little spheres in this product. We have tones of pink and flesh tones, peach tones, tan tones, brown tones, all swirling together to give you the perfect color for almost any skin type and almost any ethnicity. So, for a healthy sun-kissed glow or for a warm blushed look, New Color Bronzing Pearls is your go-to product.